Hello po kay GL Lening B. Para po, request niya to para sa kanyang Mr. B. Hello sa inyo, inyong CP, JMRC family. Sa team ano pala yung team Malaban ng Cavite, si GL Lening B. Naghahanap ng Mr. B. Para kay Mr. B raw to. Somewhere down the road. Okay, here we go. Alright. We're the right love of the wrong time. Guess I always knew inside I wouldn't have you for a long time. Those dreams of yours are shining on distant shores, and if they're calling you away, I have no right to make you stay. But somewhere down the road, our roads are gonna cross again. It doesn't really matter when, but somewhere down the road, I know that heart of yours. If this is love, NUCP Taguig-Riders Club, Tres Amigos, OFW, taga-sabay ko sa MC Luis ng TikTok. Para sa inyo guys, mga po dyan. Right. This I'm just a friend. I'm not the kind who make it last forever. And in my selfish way, I think I'm clever until you cry. Do you wanna leave? You can't let it go because you're strong. But one day without your love seems so long. And inside, outside, if this is love, darling, now's the time to wake up. Hurting words can really shake up someone's life. If this is love, darling, it's time to stop pretending. We'll never have a happy ending while we cry. Request po ito ni GL Malu Austria ng Team Valenzuela. Kasama ko sa Songmed ko, Team Songmed. Para sa'yo, FW. Kung tayo'y matanda na, sana'y di tayo magbago. Kailanman, nasaan man, ito ang pangarap ko. Makuha mo pa kayang ako'y hagkan at yakapin. Hanggang pagtanda natin, nagtatanong lang sa'yo, ako pa kaya ibigin mo? Kung maputi na buhok ko, Diyan Malu Austria ng Team Valenzuela. Pagdating ng araw, ang iyong buhok ay puputi na rin. Sabay tayo